Yeah, yeah, you are my African queen. Ooh, Lord, ooh, Lord.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I install my lace frontal wig. I start by applying some edge control. So this is just so that my hair is tucked away. So I just make sure my hairline is neat and there is no hair on my forehead. So that's what I do. I tuck it away with a brush. So this is the wig that I will be wearing today, and the hair is from my Hairluxe and the wig was made by Aangrace Wigs. I am applying my makeup powder so that the base of the lace matches with my skin perfectly. So that's what I'm doing.
It's the African beauty. Yeah.
Okay, so now I do go ahead to adjust my wig cap so that it fits perfectly. Alright, and I'm going to put the wig on. Note how I put my wig on. So I put the elastic band behind my ears and then I pull the back of it. And then I come back to the front and adjust the front. Okay, so I'm not going like this. It definitely needs adjustments. Just make sure that the wig is sitting right. And that is how I do. Now that I'm sure it's sitting right, I will pull it to the back and then I'll go ahead and apply the Got2b gel. That is what I will be using to secure this wig. So what I usually do is just apply with a brush. Okay, I apply with the brush and then I go in with the with a blow dryer on cool setting, cool or warm setting, and then make sure that the gel is tacky before I go ahead and place my lace on it. Stick it to the lace. Basically, that is what I do. So I apply like 2 coats of it, make sure it's tacky, and then I stick the lace to it. Okay, so enjoy. Okay, so notice that I'm putting the gel on my forehead and not directly on my hairline, because this gel is very sticky. It's got a really strong hold. So if you're not careful, it can take out your hairline. So it has to be on your forehead. Okay.
In a man who could think of anything better than you, who could think of ever hurting you. Sacrifice my all, I'll give it all to you. You are my African queen, for real. You are my African queen, the girl of my dream, the girl of my dream. Yeah, I've never been. Oh, nah, nah, yeah. Oh, lolly, you are my
Now applying the second coat of the gel.
My African, you remind me of a thing. Oh, that is the African. So black, so beautiful. I love you.
Okay, notice that I'm doing this very, very attentively. I am doing this gradually, just slowly, to make sure that everything is in order, because the glue is very sticky. So I don't want to make any mess. Also notice that I'm doing this in sections. So I do one side and move to the middle and then move on to another side. I am using the tail of my brush to get everything down. So just try and make sure everything sticks. So, and I do in circular motions just to make sure that there is a bit of pressure to help stick the lace down on my forehead with the gel.
You're astonishing beauty. Oh, you couldn't make a brother sing. No ordinary thing, a supernatural being. And no, you are brighter than the moon, brighter than the star. I love you just the way you are. And you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams.
So now everything is done. Okay, I am going to wear a scarf just to make sure that the lace sticks properly on my head. So I'm going to wear a scarf and then I will wait for about 10 to 15 minutes whilst I do my makeup, and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, I'm back now. So yes, this is what we have. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys.
Hey, you captivated my soul. Now every day I want you more. Now I cannot deny this feeling I'm feeling inside. Hey, no one cannot take your place. They cannot take your space. That is a fact I cannot erase. And no, you are the one that makes me smile, make me float like a boat upon the Nile. Girl, you are my African queen.
Okay, so now go ahead and part anywhere on the lace and you will still look gorgeous. It's a lace frontal, remember, so you can part anywhere at the front.
And you remind me of a thing, and that is the African beauty.
Okay, I think it's really nice to install your wig this way, but I don't do it every day. Okay, I only do this when I'm attending functions or I have occasions to attend, because this can take a bit of my time. All right, I usually do not wear my lace frontal wigs like this. I just wear and go. So just so you know, you don't always have to do this.
This love was surely sent from up above, 'cause you're the only one that I think of. You are my African queen, and I know that it means that you're the only one that I will serve. I'll give you my heart, my love.
It's now time to take out my wig. I am just going to be using water. Remember, it's just a gel I use and it comes up very easily with water. So I'm just spraying water and rubbing my hairline and it just comes off like that. Really, really easy. Okay, this brings me to the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed yourself. Remember to share and subscribe. If you do have any questions, just leave them down for me and I'll answer them. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
You remind me of a thing. Oh,